Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to activate Etisalat eSIM. So before we start, make sure you have your Etisalat eSIM QR code, and you usually receive this via email or a physical card after purchasing your eSIM plan from Etisalat. So you'll also need an eSIM compatible smartphone. So for step number 1 is you have to scan the QR code on your iPhone or any mobile that you have, and then go to settings, then tap on the cellular or mobile data. Now from there, just select add cellular plan or add data plan. So this will open your camera to scan the QR code. So after that, for step number 2 is you just have to, after scanning, your phone will prompt you to confirm the new cellular plan. So you will see the details like confirm new data plan and Etisalat or UAE Etisalat as the carrier. And that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!